Assalamualaikum. This is Mohammad Sajib. Welcome back to our Java programming series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about substring method in Java. Why do we need to use substring method in Java? The substring method extracts the characters from a string between two specified indices and returns a new substring. This note is very important. The substring method does not change the original string. You can get substring from the given string object by one of the two methods. That is public string substring int start index, and second one public string substring int start index and int index. Start index is inclusive, that is required first character is at index 0. Int index is exclusive. Int index can be optional. Let's do one example. String name, I'm giving my name, that is index position from 0 to 17. Suppose we want to print from M to V, that means full name, MD Fakhrul Sajib. Then how to do it? By using substring. SOUT and tab name dot substring. You can see that is begin index and that is in index. 0 and 17, the last index. Save the project. Let's see. Run the project. You can see here that B is missing. To print also B, we need to increment the value of in index by 1. Let's see. Set the project, run the project. See, full name MD Fakhrul Sajib. Another way you can also print, that is from M to B, that is SOUT, press tab, name dot substring begin index, that is this one. If you give the first start index, you don't need to give in index here to print. It will also print the same from M to B, MD for Sajib. Let's check. Save the project, run the project. See, same thing. Suppose we want to print from Fakhrul Sajib. How to do it? By using substring. To do it, let's copy this one. 0 1 2. Start position is 2, then write 2 here, and there is 17, but you have to increase it by 1, print it up to B. That's why you have to give 18 here. Save the project, run the project to see Fakhrul Sajib. Say that is Fakhrul Sajib here. Suppose we want to provide greater than index value, which is 19. What will happen if we give 0 to 19? Let's check. 0 comma 19, what will happen? Actually we'll get exception. Let's check. Say got exception. First commenting out above 3 system dot out println for better understanding. Now check save the project. To check the error, run the project. We have got runtime error, not compile time error. Say string index out of bound exception, begin 0, int 19, length 18. That is not possible. If we give a negative index, what will we get? Let's check. Comment out this one. Suppose giving -3, -1. What will happen? Actually, we will get exception. Let's check. Run the project. See, we get the string index out of bound exception. That means we cannot use negative index and greater than index of the string. I hope now you understand how to use substring method in Java. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.